When it comes to AI breakthroughs, two names always come up: DeepMind and Facebook AI research. But which one has actually pushed AI further? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which research lab has contributed more and which one might be overhyped. DeepMind, owned by Google, is famous for cracking complex problems that seemed unsolvable, like AlphaGo beating human champions, AlphaFold revolutionizing protein folding, and mu0 mastering games without prior knowledge. They aim for general intelligence, constantly pushing AI into new frontiers. Facebook AI Research, or FAIR, focuses more on practical applications. They've built AI that translates languages without supervision, advanced computer vision models, and impressive natural language models like BlenderBot and Llama. While DeepMind focuses on scientific breakthroughs, FAIR integrates AI into products like Meta's recommendation algorithms and VR systems. Next thing, who's winning in reinforcement learning? DeepMind is the undisputed leader. AlphaGo, AlphaZero, and mu0 have set the gold standard. Facebook AI has had success with AI-powered gaming agents like Cicero for diplomacy, but it hasn't come close to DeepMind's level of innovation in this field. The next major area, language models. While DeepMind has created models like Gopher and Chinchilla, Facebook's Llama models have had a bigger industry impact. They're open source, which means more developers can build on them, making them a serious competitor to OpenAI's GPT models. The fourth thing, real-world impact. DeepMind's work on AlphaFold solved a 50-year-old biology problem, revolutionizing medicine. FAIR's AI research powers billions of interactions on Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, making it more commercially influential. DeepMind advances science, while Facebook AI optimizes social media engagement. So, which research lab has had more breakthroughs? If we're talking about pure AI innovation, DeepMind takes the lead. If we're talking about widespread influence, FAIR is ahead. But after trying everything out myself, if you want a better AI tool for, insert goal relevant to title, check out the free trial in the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers.